2024-25 Mazda CX-70 CX-90 oil life reset. All right, so you're going to use the radio to do that, and what you're going to need to do is press the home button on your center console dial here. Go ahead, hit home, and when you hit home, what you're going to want to do is scroll up to information and press the dial button in, and then go to vehicle status monitor. Right, and it says remaining. We have 3,400 miles remaining, but if you need to reset it, go down to vehicle maintenance, reset oil distance, up to reset, and if we go back, now we're at 10,000 miles. Okay, now you can actually go in and change this manually if you want to set a date or a actual mileage. Okay, so some people are more comfortable with 6,000 miles. Go back. Now we have 6,000 miles remaining. Well, I hope this video was helpful. I hope it was quick, straight to the point, and if it was, appreciate if you could hit that like button for me and leave me a comment. That's what keeps these videos going. Hope to see you again in another video.